The next method is called the update method. So I'm going to make a demo called update method demo. And let's say that we have a dictionary that is called website info is equal to, and we're going to have a title, and this will be Python website, and then we have URL, and this one is http://www.python.org, and then we have changed, and that one is a date, March 14 2209 15 MET 2016, and so we have one dictionary here, and then we have another one. I'm just going to call it more info, and it's equal to actually this was not that large, so we can do it like this. We'll say title, and we have Python language website. And actually, notice that these have the same key, so I'm just going to call this one actually update info. So let's say that what we want to do is we want to update this one with the information from that one. What we can do is we can say d.update, or I'm sorry, website info.update, update info. And so we're passing the this dictionary to the update method, and it's going to look for any instance in this one where it has an equivalent key, and it will change that value to match this key in the update one. And if there's any extras, it'll put it in as well. In fact, let's do this. We'll say new item and blah, and see what happens here. So, and then we'll just print the website info just to see what we got. So I'll run that. And let's see what happened. Now we can see that the title that originally was there has been updated to this new title from the update info. And then new item didn't exist in here, so it added that new item. So what update does is you can do that. You know, if we didn't have this, we'd have to search through here, see if something existed, add it in, and then we'd have to see if something didn't existed, and it can get kind of complex. This update method really takes out the complexity of saying, you know what, I want you to update these things and put it into this, you know, dictionary of information, and just handle it. And it works very nicely for that. Thank you very much.